Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and efficient way to change a parent category in WordPress. Whether you're organizing your blog or updating your site's structure, this guide will make it easy and quick. Let's dive in. First, head over to your WordPress site. Click Login at the top right corner. For a fast and secure login, select Continue with Google and choose the Google account linked to your WordPress site. Once you're authenticated, you'll land in your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to the Post section from the dashboard. This is where you manage all your blog posts and categories. Now, click on Categories to see a full list of your existing categories. Find the category you want to edit and click Edit. This opens the editing screen where you can adjust your category settings. On the edit screen, look for the Parent Category drop-down menu. Here, you can select a new parent category to restructure your content hierarchy. Make sure to choose carefully, as this will affect how your posts are organized. Once you've selected the new parent category, review everything to ensure it's correct. Then, simply click Update. And just like that, your category now has a new parent. And there you have it. Changing a parent category in WordPress is that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.